Birdcage blue and yellow, candles warm and windows black, tracing upturned smiles of portraits drawn to disappear. Flowers never